Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you a complete guide for stunning poison ivy look inspo in Dress to Impress. So if you're ready to bloom and conquer the villain or superhero or comic theme in DTI, you can just follow how I recreate this look. Now let's just get started. Now first, let me show you the hair that I use for the look. Here, I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hair combined. You can just use all of this, but for this 3 in here, only use the bangs. And for the hex code, this is the hex code that I use. Now let's just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to put on these items from the Gaga update. This bodysuit in here, toggle it into only bodysuit, and here I'm going to change the color to this green colors right here and make the material glitter, so it will go like this. And then I'm going to go to the currency item tab and put on this top in here. But here I'm going to only use the lace, so turn off the undershirt gems, details and bow. First color, you can just go with green again and make it glittery. And for the lace, use this green color. So this is the green color that I use for all of the outfits, combined with this a little bit lighter green. Let me show you later the hex code. And then I'm going to also put on the items from the petal updates. This flowers in here, so just change the color to green, just like this. And this is the second hex code. Okay, like this. You can also change the material into glitter for all of the flowers. And next one, put on this on the bodysuit. Again, use the green color, so just combine between these two. Don't forget to make it glittery. And here I'm going to also put on this dress from the code items, toggle it into top only and remove the chains and use the green color in glitter. Go to the rewards item tab and I'm going to use these nails in green color. And also this underwear in here, use the same green color and material. Okay, so once you're done in the dressing room, you can go out. Now you can put on another items in here. I'm going to put on this for the shoes, so toggle it into, just go with an over knee and this color, but make it silk. Then I'm going to also put on this items in here, go with green. Then you can put on some accessory. Here I'm going to put on this necklace from the accessory section, this one. So toggle it into old version and use the green color. So guys, this will be the final look for Poison Ivy. I hope you like this tutorial, so please give me a like, leave a comment and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.